Alright guys, after hours party. Let's see what we can do here. Hey Pooch. I don't know. I don't know where he went. I think he just bailed off in there. There you go. Can you hear me? Dude, this is slick as hell.
Yeah, it's
shit.
Well, you just gotta gun it.
Yeah, and hold on. Where are you? Oh shit.
Oh, you gotta.
Oh,
that guy's got a dirt bike.
Dude, I'm about to get stuck.
Fucking bike just stalls.
Some cool little trails. Oh shit! Oh my god! This is worse than mud.
Yeah, wet grass?
Dude, I am sliding like crazy. Oops, shit. Yeah? He said there's another section on the other side that's a little bit better maybe. Let's go, I'm gonna follow him. There's one. Make my own trail now, hopefully. Oh shit. Oh my goodness, dude. I'm gonna get stuck down there. Ooh, look at that. I didn't get stuck down there. Nice.
Hey, where are you?
Down here getting all sideways and drifting it. Dude, there's trails everywhere on this property. Oh my god! I'm back at the fire pit now.
There's a bad spot over there where there's a
dude.
wire right across the road.